I'm going to show you a simple way that you can start making money with YouTube, creating short 1 to 2 minute videos that can make you $100 or more per day. Hey guys, welcome. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can use affiliate marketing combined with YouTube to create small videos that you can rank on YouTube and get pretty much unlimited traffic to different affiliate offers where you can review different products with simple little 1 to 2 minute videos. Now, we're not talking about making money with the YouTube AdSense program. We're not talking about monetizing the traditional way of making money with YouTube. We're talking about affiliate marketing, utilizing small videos and affiliate offers. I'm going to show you where to find those affiliate offers. I'm going to show you how to create the videos, and I'm going to show you the best way to rank those videos on YouTube. So I'm not going to waste any of your time. Let's jump right in. All right, so the first thing you need to understand is that YouTube is the second largest search engine online. And so what we're going to be doing on YouTube is utilizing the power of YouTube to rank videos not only on YouTube but also on Google. That's going to allow you to generate more traffic to affiliate offers. So what type of offers can you do? In my personal opinion, what I've found is that if you want to rank for very easy keywords, the best thing you can do is to find product reviews. And these are not your typical product. We're talking about digital products and affiliate offers. So if you go on places like clickbank.com, which is free to sign up, you can sign up for a free account on ClickBank, or jvzoo.com, which is another affiliate network, you can find hundreds, if not thousands, of affiliate products that you can promote. If we go to the affiliate marketplace, just so I can show you what this process is all about and that people are already doing this to make money, we're going to go to the, let's see, health and fitness category, and we're going to pick, so what you're seeing right here, the average sale, this is the commission that you can make if you can refer a sale. So let's say that someone lands on the flat belly fix product. If they land on that product and they buy it through your link, then that means you're going to make a $34 commission. So let's go on YouTube. Let's just copy the name and let's go back to YouTube and let's just paste it to see what happens. So the first thing that happens is that YouTube provides a bunch of suggestions. So you can see it says tea recipe, review, tea recipe, scam, system, and they have a bunch of keywords. Now these are keywords that you can target with videos. If we just click on review, for example, you can see that there's already videos from a year ago, a month ago, and these videos are actually getting views. This one has 4,200 views and it was uploaded a month ago, and it's just a 1 minute video. As you can see, there's nothing special about this video. Most of these videos are very short videos, a minute, 3 minutes. So let's click on this one that's 8 minutes long. And as you can see, this video is basically just a bunch of images with text, and that's it. It has 2 likes, the channel even has a few subscribers, and it has a link to the actual product. So if I click on that link and I buy the product using this link, the owner of this video is gonna make a commission, and that commission was $34. So as you can see, this concept is not something, it's not a secret. Most people are using this to make money. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of products that you can promote on ClickBank. There's also thousands of products on JVZoo. So let's do another example. Let's take the Lost Book of Remedies. Let's copy that. We're going to go back to YouTube and we're going to paste that, and as you can see, it says reviews. So we're going to click on review, and same thing, a bunch of review videos that are talking about the actual product. Now these are short 1 minute videos, 2 minute videos, where you can create those videos, have your affiliate link, so these videos are going to sit there for a very long time. I'm going to give you just a quick example of what the power of YouTube. Let's go on Google and let's just paste the Lost Book of Remedies review. Let's do a Google search and check it out. The first three videos that were ranking, even though they didn't have a lot of views, these videos pop on the first page of Google for basically the #1 spot. So even though there's people with websites promoting the same product and doing reviews, the videos are basically just winning and ranking everywhere. So the process is when you actually create the video, you want to target the specific keywords around that product. So for example, the example that the first one, flat belly fix, you would actually create on the title. Let's go back to, just do, you can see YouTube already provides you with the keywords for that product. If you were to make a 60-second video talking about the flat belly fix product review, then you would target on the tags of your video, the description, you would target all these keywords to get your videos to rank on YouTube as high as possible. So you can go through hundreds, if not thousands of products in ClickBank, and you can select different categories. You can set up a YouTube channel where you can have 20, 25, 50 videos. So you can go back to ClickBank and you can actually pick from within the categories, perhaps 15, 20, 30 different products that you can promote just from a single category. So imagine if you had, 2 to 3 YouTube channels dedicated to a single category, and you had 25 to 50 videos on each of those channels. Those videos are going to sit there for a very long time, and if you get just 2 sales, 3 sales per day, or if you have 100 videos across multiple channels and you get perhaps 2 to 3 sales per day, you're already making $100 per day. So the big question that most people ask is, how do I create those videos? How do I create videos that people want to watch and actually deliver the results that I want, which is I want people to go to the link and actually click and buy the product. So there's multiple ways to do that. For example, one platform that is very common to create short videos, it's Biteable. And they have, I believe they have a free plan where you can sign up. Yeah, they do have a free plan. You can create, I think, 5 videos per month or something like that. That's if you don't have any money. And the success in this strategy lies in creating a lot of videos. So you create a lot of videos. Each video should take you no more than 20 minutes to create. And you can create in a single day 5, 10 videos to different products. And you can rank them on YouTube by optimizing that video for specific keywords related to that product. Now, there's another software that I like. I personally use this one as my favorite, which is VideoMakerFX. And it's a software basically that you download to your computer. It comes with a bunch of pre-made templates that you can customize with text, and they have a bunch of different characters and animations and pictures and transitions and a bunch of other stuff that you can use. If you want to create 100, 200 videos per month, this would be one of the best choices because you pay one time and that's it. Now, when it comes to ranking on YouTube, you'll notice that the more videos you have, the easier it's going to be. So don't expect to make money in your first few videos. What you need to do is just keep pumping videos, because the more videos you have, the higher the chances you have for generating that sale and the more traffic you're going to get. Even if you just get 1 sale per day, that should be enough to make you an extra $1,000 to $2,000 per month. This method actually works, guys. It's not a secret. Like you see, there's a bunch of people already doing this, and it does take a little bit of work. Don't expect this to be, super easy. You will take time to actually create the videos and make sure that they look really nice. The better the quality of the videos, the more likely you are to generate a sale. So just spend some time actually creating the videos. And this video is actually really well made. Provides a lot of information about the product, and even though it's been uploaded 8 months ago, the video is still sitting on the top 3 spots for that specific keyword. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed that quick training video and that you actually learned something new. And if you want to apply this, if you want to actually try it yourself, it's not complicated, but it will take you some time. Now, this is something that you can do for passive income. This is something that you build once. So let's say you take 3 months to create 200 videos for 200 different affiliate products on ClickBank. Those videos are going to sit there on YouTube for a very long time, getting better rankings with time, because that's what happens with YouTube. YouTube starts suggesting the videos and more people start searching for the product on YouTube, and you start getting more views to your videos, which actually translate to more traffic. So over time, you might have 200 videos that are generating 1,000 clicks per day, 500 clicks per day, and that's going to generate money into your pocket, and that's considered passive income. So if you enjoy this type of videos, let me know in the comments, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, because I'll be uploading more content on making money and affiliate marketing in general. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next video.